Currently, we are planning to start our Facebook page where we can reach as much as we can, engage with, like I say, with the local municipalities, schools, etc., where we can conduct weekly life skills training to schools, church, where we can help. Even in the church, people are lost, people are hopeless. We want to tackle the real life issues. We don't want to sound godly or biblical. We just want to live by example how we have overcome it through the faith-based principles. Yet being real and in your challenges that you face and acknowledging them and finding ways how to get it, by in life, and also how to challenge it on the same time. How I got involved with this group? Me and Auntie Betty from Lutherans, we started prison ministry. Oh, I found her already doing prison ministry. And through that, we connected, and she saw the passion in me to work with the lost.